What is up, my friends? Tim Dessaint here, and today we are doing a fun little challenge. The luggage company Away sent me this carry-on suitcase right here from their new collection, and here's the deal. I'm a terrible packer. Okay, maybe not terrible, but I'm definitely a below average packer. My packing strategy when traveling is just to put the maximum amount of clothes I can legally get away with into my suitcase, just shove it all in there, and just figure it out once I'm at the airport. You tell me I can bring one suitcase, one carry-on, and one personal item? You bet your ass my suitcase is gonna be filled up to the maximum. My carry-on is probably gonna be overweight, and my personal item ain't gonna be no briefcase. So today I wanted to challenge myself by testing my outfit packing skills, garner some restraint in me, and see exactly how many outfits I can put together with just this one carry-on. All right, guess I gotta repack all that now. Thank you for watching the video, guys, and thanks again to Away for sponsoring it. These guys make some amazing suitcases with very clean, minimal designs, and you know that's what I like. Actually, let me just show you something real quick. This is by far my favorite part of the suitcase. Let's get this out of the way real quick. See this pouch right here? Just unzip it. Wham bam! It's a laundry bag, a detachable laundry bag. Super, super practical. Anyways, I invite you to check them out, guys. I'll leave a link to their website in the description. And I wish you an amazing day, my friends. And I'll see you very soon in the next video. Peace.